In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out of Telegram on all devices. This ensures that no one else can access your messages, contacts, or media, especially if you've used a shared or public device or lost access to a previous one. To do this, simply head to Telegram. Tap onto the Settings gear icon. On the Settings page, you will then head to Devices. Here, you will see actively logged in devices to your Telegram account. To log them all out, simply click on Terminate All Other Sessions. All devices that have access to your Telegram account will be logged out. And if you noticed any untrusted device, make sure to enable two-step verification and also change your account password as well. That's how easy it is to log out of Telegram on all devices. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.